TallyWiz, the smart worker. Welcome to the TallyWiz family and congratulations on purchasing one of the best tools for accounting assistance. This is the state-of-the-art software that works hand in hand with Tally. Witness the ease with which bank statements in practically any format are swiftly processed, cutting down the time required to manually do the same. The video will teach you how to use this innovative software. So sit back and watch your Tally partner make light of cumbersome data entries. Here's what you need on your computer before you begin. Your computer should be connected to the internet. Tally software should be open on your computer. Please open TallyWiz from the website in your browser. If you are using this software for the first time, click on the Register button at the top right-hand corner. Submit the completed form, then click on Sign In. You may sign in with your name and password if you already have an account. A dashboard appears with your name on it. In the menu on the left side, click on Download EXE. You will be asked whether you want a 32-bit or the 64-bit version. Please select what applies to your computer and install it. The shortcut key will appear on your desktop. Click on the exe file to proceed. You will be asked to sign in again. Use the same name and password that you signed in or register with. You're all set to go. Let's get to work, shall we? Open the company in which you wish to work. Please note that there may be many companies which are opened in Tally. However, you can work on only one company at a time. Switch to the desktop application. Click on Sync. The company that you selected will be seen on your desktop application screen. Move to your browser for further actions. Check the top right-hand corner of your screen. You will see total credit with a number below it. This is the number of TallyWiz licenses that you have purchased. For each company that you work on, you will need a separate TallyWiz license. As a new user, your total credit will show 1. This is a trial license and can be used for only one company. Please click on the subscribe button to purchase more licenses. Kindly note, once you sync this license with the company in Tally, it will be permanently linked to that company. The process cannot be reversed and that same license cannot be reused for any another company. Once you have the necessary number of licenses, we will begin work in the desktop application. There are 4 options in the action column. You may upload a file, view documents, sync ledger, view ledger. Click on Sync Ledger. You will receive a notification saying Ledger successfully synced. Now upload files. You can upload bank statements from the following formats: Excel, PDF and Scan PDF. Please note, TallyWiz is not designed to process entries from passbooks, share market statements and loan statements. The maximum time taken for specific document to get processed is given below. Excel up to 30 minutes, original PDF up to 1 hour, scanned PDF up to 12 hours. If your computer exceeds the time given above, please refresh your screen and upload the data again. A slow internet connection or inadequate computer resources could cause the above to happen. Click on View Documents to check. You will find the uploaded document along with the date and the status. Click on Transactions. Now that we have completed the processing of bank statements, we need to add the data into the ledger. This brings us to the USP of TallyWiz, which is a filter. The filter allows you to select files in 5 different ways. Let's see what they are. The first one is description or narration. In the box below, you may type the search name or word by which you wish to select the files from the ledger. That name or word must be present in the narration. For example, If you type SMS charges in the box, all SMS transactions will show up in consecutive rows. If you tick on the small box next to the serial number, these files will be selected in bulk. The second filter is by type. These are receipt or payment transactions. For example, if you type receipt in the box, all receipt transactions will show up in consecutive rows. If you tick on the small box next to the serial number, these files can be selected in bulk. The third filter is amount. This has two further filters. For example, if you type a figure of, say, rupees 25,000 in the box, all transactions of this amount will show up in consecutive rows. If you tick on the small box next to the serial number, these files can be selected in bulk. You may also want to find transactions that have taken place within a certain range of figures. For example, if you wish to find out payments made within the range of rupees 10,000 to rupees 50,000, you can do so by typing these figures into the boxes in the amount column. All transactions within the range will show up in consecutive rows. If you tick on the small box next to the serial number, these files can be selected in bulk. The fourth filter is the checkbox with the words Hide Tally pushed next to it. You will find it below the word Ledger on the screen. The checkbox will have the number of files that are not pushed into TallyWiz. This is an extremely useful filter, for it keeps count of the number of the files to be completed. The fifth filter is the checkbox below the fourth one, which has blank written next to it. Always keep this selected. The number of entries not entered into the ledgers will appear here. When the checkbox shows 0, you will know the work has been completed. This is how TallyWiz helps you work efficiently and quickly. Select the bank from which you obtained the company. Type in the name of the ledger in the top right-hand corner. Select the files using the various filters as per your requirement. Click on Save, then click on Push in Tally. Check the following before you continue. You should be connected to the internet. TallyWiz desktop application should be running on your device. The company whose data you are working on should be open in Tally. Check all the three boxes. Click on Yes, I checked. The screen will show your entry is in progress. You may switch to desktop application to verify this. In a short while, you will get a notification that the operation is successfully executed. Check the bank entries in Tally. All your entries will appear in the respective company with the details. Refresh your TallyWiz screen. The entries transferred to Tally will appear disabled. Follow the same process for each company. Voila! With TallyWiz, your work time has reduced magically, hasn't it? Say goodbye to tedious manual entries and say hello to smart working. For any queries, please feel free to contact us on support@tallywiz.co.